Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to write a program to find the sum of odd numbers in a given range in C++. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So the first thing that we will do, we are already working here in our div C++ programming environment. So we have here a comment. We write a comment range.cpp, and then we have here the author of this program, that's yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomprada, and then we have here the date. The date of this recording is October 16, 2019. That will be Wednesday. The time is 5:04 in the morning AM. And then we have here my email address. If you want to contact me, I will immediately respond to your inquiries and questions. And then we have here declarations. So library, sharp include, IO stream using namespace. We are using this library file for input output. And then we have here int main. This int main is a function that the starting point of program execution in our program in C++. For example, okay, so next is a variable declaration int number equals 0, comma, min equals 0, and then max equals 0. And then we have here long int sum. We have here sum. Okay, we have already 4 variables here, after which after we have done declaring our variable, we have here 2 new line, and then we have here the title of our program \t range sum of odd numbers in range in C++. This is the title of our program. After we are through with that, we have here another new line \n, and then we will ask the user, so \t enter the minimum range, the starting point of our range, cin min. What I will do to make it faster, our coding, is to copy that one, and then we have to paste enter the maximum range. So we have here max, the variable max, and then we will using a for statement next for number equals min semicolon number less than or equal to max, and then number increment by 1 representing by the symbol plus begin if number modulus represented by the percent symbol to not equal to 0, begin sum equals sum plus number Okay, so after we are through with that, we will display the result. To new line again, \t, the sum of odd numbers is in a given range is. So sum \t and program. Okay, before we run our program and check for syntax error, let us review first now. So in our program, we have here the declaration of the library, basic library in C++, the IO stream for input and output, followed with a series of variable declaration in this portion of our program. And then we have here the title, and then we have here the input, the minimum range and the maximum range. And then we have here the looping statement that will count the sum of odd numbers in a given range, and then we will have to display the result afterwards. And then end of the program that tells the user that the program is already terminated. So after we have done, Ctrl S, we will create another folder here. By this time we will name this as a range, and then double click that particular folder, and then we write range.cpp. This is the name of a file name, and then the extension range.cpp is the file name of our program. Click the save button, and then we will compile to check for syntax error. Okay, so I forgot. Okay, let us check it again. Compile and run. Compile and run. Let's say for example we have here, okay, so before we run, the title of our program is sum of odd numbers in range in C++. Okay, maybe I will change the sum of odd numbers in a given range in C++. Okay, so save, compile and run. Okay, so sum of odd numbers in a given range in C++, enter minimum range. Let's say for example we have 25, and then next we have 30. So the sum of odd numbers in a given range is 81. End of program. So there is a formatting issue of our code, so I have to adjust. Again, let us run again our program. Compile and run. Okay, so for example, starting range is 1, and then we have here 5. So add sum of odd numbers is 9. So the sum of odd numbers in a given range is already 9. So what are the, let's say for example, what are the odd numbers? Okay, so the odd numbers is we have 1 plus 3 and 5, so we have 9. This is correct. Okay, so before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button Leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial and share this video tutorial and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.